Did you know that the cryptocurrency markets are currently down right now? Did you also know that I borrowed this suit jacket from my dad? Hey Dad, by the way, can you send this to the dry cleaner next week? It's looking a little bit wrinkled and I have a ton of YouTube ads to film. Okay, getting back to the point. So, in life, there are two things in life that you really need to understand. There are winners and there are losers. And I am a winner. And I teach you how to become a winner by trading cryptocurrency in a bear market. Yes, when I say a bear market, it means that the market is going down, but I'm still making money. You see, yesterday I actually made $4,679.27. Yeah, that 27 cents, that's important because it shows that I am very precise and I know my stuff. And guys, if you are doubting my credibility at all, before you click on the link in the top right, the bottom left, in my butt, wherever it might be, if you're doubting my credibility at all, take for instance that I am sitting in front of two monitors with crypto charts on my screen. Yes, two monitors with crypto charts. You see, here's one, and then here's the other. And that is, I mean, two monitors means that number one, I can afford two monitors. Number two, two monitors means that I am twice as smart as you probably are. And guess what? Not only that, but I'm sitting on, that's an IKEA chair. Can you afford an IKEA chair? I don't know, but guess what? I can, because I trade cryptocurrencies. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies too, you can be as good as I am if you attend this live webinar that I have that's going on actually in 15 minutes or something like that, you know, probably 15 minutes. If you attend this live webinar, I'm going to teach you exactly how I'm going to do this. The only thing is, I'm going to talk for 45 minutes about how credentialed I am as a 19-year-old cryptocurrency trader who's been doing this for all of 6 months. Guys, yes, that 6 months experience is absolutely critical. But as a 19-year-old cryptocurrency trader who's done this for 6 months in my dad's blazer, I'm going to teach you on this webinar all my tricks, all the strategies that you need to be successful. And then at the end of that webinar, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to sell you a course for $299. It's actually 4 payments, but $299 4 different times. And then you can have the global profit, super secret Titan ambassador level knowledge that you need to be successful in the cryptocurrency markets. So if you'd like to join me on my journey of making $4,957.27 a day, I actually lost track, but that much a day, you need to hit this link up here, hit this link down there, and probably never watch a YouTube advertisement again. What's up everybody, it's your boy, Crypto Bobby. Hope you are having a great day, great night, wherever you're watching or listening in from. Don't know why I felt like doing that, but hey, there is a new guy on YouTube advertising how to get rich in crypto, so I actually own a suit jacket. Surprisingly, this isn't my dad's, but wanted to come with you with a little bit of a parody. Probably gonna have half the people watching this being like, yo, Rob, you're creating a crypto course? Like, you're a total sellout, dude. What the hell, man? I thought you, like, were against that. Well, I'll still see those in the comments, but thank you for watching. I'll be going live tonight on Crypto Happy Hour at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you'd like to join for that, we'll have a Crypto Live Happy Hour where we'll actually talk about what's happening in the market. Until then, thank you again, Dad, for the suit jacket. Thank you, IKEA, for the chair. I do have 2 monitors, badass like that. See you guys. Peace.